Hi guys. All right, on this video we're going to look at 6.3 fraction and whole number multiplication. So here we're going to find the product, and this time on the last video on 6.1 we were using models to help us. On this round we're going to do the algorithm, and we're going to make sure that we're putting our product in simplest form. So here on the first one, we've got 3/7 times 4. So you can do one of two ways. You could just go ahead and multiply this 3 times 4, or you could rewrite it. This is the same as 3/7 times 4 over 1. So whenever we have a whole number, we can turn it into a fraction by writing it over 1. And then we're just going to multiply straight across for our numerators. So 3 times 4 is 12. And straight across for our denominator, 7 times 1 is 7. Then I'm going to take this 12/7 and I'm going to simplify it. I can turn this into a division problem. 7 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. And then I subtract 12 minus 7, so that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5. And then I'm going to, anytime I have a remainder, that means that this is going to be turned into a mixed number here. So I'm going to leave my remainder down here. I'm going to start up with my 1. So I'm going to go 1, and then I'm going to go around to the 5. That's going to become my numerator. And then around to the 7, like in a clock. And that's my denominator. So 1 and 5/7. And then go ahead and circle that answer there. All right, number 2 is 3/5 times 5. So here again, I can just rewrite this as 3/5 times 5 over 1. I'm going to go straight across and straight across. So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. Then I'm going to take that improper fraction and I'm going to turn it into my division problem. And I know 5 goes into 15 3 times. And this time there's no remainder. So that means that that goes in perfectly, that just 3. There's no fraction, it's just the whole number. On this next one, I've got 2/3 times 8. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 over 3 times 8 over 1. Multiply straight across, that would be 16. Multiply straight across, that would be 3. Here I know 3 can't go into 16 evenly like it did here. So this is going to have a mixed number. So I'm going to turn this into my division problem. 3 cannot go into 1. 3 can go into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15 with 1 left over. So that's 5 wholes. Then I'm going to go around to my remainder, and that's my 1 part, and go up here to my 3. That's my denominator. So 5 and 1/3. All right, so go ahead and work on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of that. And underneath, write neat so that everything stays together and is organized. But I want to see like this, to where you're turning that improper, you're getting your improper fraction, and then you're turning it back into that mixed number, or if it goes perfectly, that whole number. On the bottom here, you're finding the unknown digit. So here you've got a numerator missing. Anywhere that there's this box here, those are missing. So you're going to have to think like here. something over 4 times 8 equals 2. And so try to figure out what that box would be. So using the same process as you did here, but now you're given the answer and you have to work to find the numerator or the denominator or wherever that box is missing. So go ahead, try that and find the unknown of those digits. And I want you to try 10, and I want you to try 12. And then you can, if you want to try the rest, you can, but otherwise you can take those off. And then on 16 here, it says Sandra exercised 2/3 of an hour every day for 2 weeks while she was on vacation. How many hours did Sandra exercise during her vacation? So here's my information here. It was 2/3 of an hour every day for 2 weeks. Well, 2 weeks has 14 days. So 2/3, and she's doing that every day for 14 days. So 14, and so you're wanting to know how many hours total. Then over here, Mike bought 15 cards. Mike bought 15 baseball cards. Rookie players are featured on 3/5 of the cards. How many cards feature the rookie players? So here you've got 3/5 of the cards. The cards, there's 15 of them. So you want to know how many of those are the rookie players. And then you can do those two. And then on the back, I want you to pick 3. So it could be the even ones, it could be the odd ones, it could be a mixture. Pick 3 to solve, and I'll let you choose which one those are. But don't shy away from the multi-step. Try to give one of these a go. But I'll let you choose. But don't be afraid of those multi-step. They're good practice. And then I want you to try to solve it using the algorithm this time, since we practiced using the models on the last one. So pick 3 on this page. Go ahead and do 16 and 17. I want you to try number 10 and 12. And then I want you to do this whole top part. Alrighty, thanks for watching.